In an effort to improve the lives of the Filipino people, the Department of Science and Technology has been continuously pushing the envelope to craft and develop programs and projects anchored on S&T innovations. The Small Enterprise Technology Upgrading Program or SETUP. The Department of Science and Technology's Small Enterprise Technology Upgrading Program or SETUP is a nationwide initiative encouraging and assisting micro, small, and medium enterprises or the MSMEs to adopt technological innovations to improve their products, services, operations, and increase their productivity and competitiveness. The program enables MSMEs to address their technical problems and improve their productivity and efficiency through infusion of appropriate technologies to improve products and services and operations, human resource training, technical assistance and consultancy services, design of functional packages and labels, assistance in the attainment of product standards including testing, database management system, and provision of assistance for technology acquisition. The Community Empowerment through Science and Technology or CEST. The DOST's Community Empowerment through Science and Technology aims to empower and build the marginalized communities by improving their quality of living through science and technology. The program continues to provide science-based development initiatives to the identified communities in Bicol region while focusing on 5 key areas, which are health and nutrition, human resources development, economic development or livelihood opportunities, environmental protection and preservation, and disaster risk reduction and climate change adaptation. The Regional Standards and Testing Laboratory and Metrology Laboratory or the RSTL and RML. Designed to provide technical support to the food manufacturing, trading, researchers, industries, students, and production sectors, the RSTL-RML adopts and implements quality control activities guided by the good laboratory practices to produce accurate and precise test results. Being the only ISO IEC 17025-2017 accredited laboratory in the Bicol region, DOST V RSTL and RML continues to pursue and expand its quality service at par with global standards. Through the continuous and effective implementation of enhancing one lab through global competitiveness in 2020, RSTL and RML was able to sustain its operation and successfully deliver chemical and microbiological testing and calibration services despite the pandemic. The Gender Responsive Economic Actions for the Transformation of Women or the Great Women Project. The Department of Science and Technology recognizes the significant role of women in nation building. Through the Gender Responsive Economic Actions for the Transformation of Women or Great Women Project, the DOST alongside with its partner government agencies continue to empower micro-enterprises owned by women in the region, primarily focusing on maximizing competitiveness and improving sustainability. Among the direct assistance given to women micro-entrepreneurs are product development and production technologies, market development and expansion, assistance in enterprise development and management, facilitation of registration and certification requirements, participation of women micro-entrepreneurs in trade fairs and exhibits, visual merchandising, and enablers training on gender analysis. The Innovation for Filipinos Working Decently from the Philippines or the IFWPH. As the coronavirus pandemic continues to cripple the global economy, thousands of overseas Filipino workers are affected, from cuts to layoff employment and to eventual repatriation. As a response to this problem, the Department of Science and Technology has launched the Innovation for Filipinos Working Decently from the Philippines or IFWPH program. This aims to support the establishment of technology-based enterprises owned or managed by an OFW or its family as they move forward to a better normal. The program consists of two phases. First, OFWs are provided capacity building training, which includes business concept development and business plan development. The second phase is innovation funding. This includes entrepreneurship and technical training, product development and market testing, operational consultancy services, initial laboratory testing, packaging and label design and execution for market testing, and equipment acquisition. The Innovation, Science and Technology for Accelerating Regional Technology-Based Development or iStart. In July 2020, Department of Science and Technology officially launched the Innovation, Science and Technology for Accelerating Regional Technology-Based Development or the iStart, with the goal of supporting balanced development geographically by accelerating regional growth through science, technology, and innovation. The iStart has three specific objectives. First, assist local government units in developing a technology-based development plan for agri-based, manufacturing, and services sectors. Second, support technology-based investments and projects in the region by engaging researchers, scientists, and engineers. And third, increase partnership with private and public organizations to accelerate technology-based investments.